Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best 32 by 48 frame is probably one of the most versatile and impactful ways to showcase your cherished memories, artwork, or important documents, transforming any space from ordinary to extraordinary with its substantial yet manageable dimensions, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to create a focal point without overwhelming their room. Number 5. Samsung 43-inch Crystal 4K UHD AU8000 Series Smart TV. Witness every detail with breathtaking clarity. Our powerful processor, specifically tuned for crystal displays, converts everything you watch into stunning 4K resolution. Immerse yourself in a world of vibrant color and detail. High dynamic range brings you closer to the action, just as filmmakers intended. Access a universe of content beyond streaming. Control your smart TV with your voice, schedule recordings, and connect with compatible devices using just one remote. Never miss a moment of the action. With minimized blur and enhanced motion clarity, it catches all the fast-moving scenes, whether you're watching sports or gaming. Elevate your space with its sleek profile. This ultra-thin television effortlessly blends into any room, enhancing your home's aesthetic. Rediscover what you've been missing. Enjoy a crisp, clear picture that boasts 4 times the resolution of Full HD, making everything look better. What we like? If you're looking for a smart TV with excellent picture quality and voice control, this is a great option. Its powerful processor and HDR capabilities bring content to life, while built-in voice assistants offer seamless control. Consider this if you want a sleek, modern centerpiece for your entertainment setup. What people say. The frame is sturdy and well-made, with a nice finish that complements the artwork. It was easy to assemble and hang, and it looks great on the wall. The packaging was secure, ensuring the frame arrived in perfect condition. Number 4. Benjia Magnetic Poster Frame Hanger. Introducing the Benjia Magnetic Poster Frame, a stylish and simple way to display your favorite art. It's designed to hold your poster securely and beautifully. Featuring powerful magnets, this hanger is strong enough to hold various items like prints, maps, posters, and even tapestries. It ensures your displayed items stay in place. This 32-inch hanger is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for any poster that is 32 inches wide, regardless of its length, making it perfect for various sizes like 32 by 24 or 32 by 48. Tired of the same old decor? You can easily swap out your posters in just a minute. It offers a damage-free way to update your wall hangings whenever you like. Crafted with a beautiful walnut finish, this wooden frame hanger adds a touch of elegance to any room. It complements your artwork without overpowering it. Please note that very thick posters or canvases might affect the magnetic hold. It's best suited for standard poster thicknesses to ensure optimal performance. What we like? For those who love to frequently change their wall art without causing damage, this magnetic hanger is ideal. It's incredibly easy to use and works with a variety of poster sizes. If you enjoy a dynamic display and want a hassle-free way to refresh your decor, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The frame is sturdy and well-made, with a nice finish that complements the artwork. It was easy to assemble and hang, and it looks great on the wall. The packaging was secure, ensuring the frame arrived without any damage. Number 3. Craig Frames 24 by 36 Black Contemporary Poster Frame. Introducing a sleek, contemporary poster frame designed to showcase your favorite prints. Its smooth, 1-inch wide black molding adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. This frame is perfectly sized to fit your 24 by 36 posters, photos, or artwork. Get a custom look without the custom price. It comes complete with everything you need for easy installation. You'll find a protective acrylic facing, a sturdy backing board, and a convenient hanging kit. Hang it proudly on your wall in either portrait or landscape orientation. This versatile frame adapts to your display needs. Crafted with care in the USA, this frame offers durable construction with shatter-resistant acrylic. Please note that slight variations in wood grain and finish are natural. What we like? If you need a simple, stylish frame for your posters or prints, this contemporary option is a solid pick. The black finish and shatter-resistant acrylic provide a clean look and durability. It's a great choice if you value American-made quality and a versatile frame that fits most decor styles. What people say. The frame is sturdy and well made, perfect for displaying artwork. Easy to assemble and hang, looks great on the wall. The size is exactly as described, fits a 32 by 48 picture perfectly. Number 2. DIY Solid Wood Canvas Frame Kit 32x48. Create professional artwork with our premium solid wood frame kit. Crafted for durability and stability, it's perfect for all your artistic creations. Assemble your frame effortlessly with our precision-cut stretcher bars. No special tools are needed, making it ideal for artists and hobbyists alike. Achieve a true 1.25-inch gallery depth for a high-end, professional look. Your stretched canvas will have a premium appearance, ready for display. Our kiln-dried wood is warp-resistant, ensuring long-lasting support. It keeps your canvases tight, flat, and beautifully stretched over time. This kit is perfect for a variety of projects, including paintings, wall art, diamond art, and cross-stitch. Available in multiple sizes for a gallery-grade presentation. What we like? This is the ultimate choice for artists and DIY enthusiasts looking to create professional-looking canvas art. The premium solid wood and easy assembly ensure a durable, gallery-quality display for your paintings or other artwork. If you're serious about presenting your creations, this frame kit offers the perfect foundation. What people say. The frame is sturdy and well made, with a nice finish that complements the artwork. It was easy to assemble and hang, and it looks great on the wall. The packaging was secure, ensuring the frame arrived without any damage. Number 1. Craig Frames 24 by 32 Black Contemporary Poster Frame. Introducing a sleek, contemporary poster frame in a classic black finish. Its smooth, 1-inch wide molding adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. Designed to perfectly fit your 24 by 32-inch posters, prints, or photos. Showcase your favorite artwork with precision and style. This frame comes complete with everything you need for easy installation. It includes a protective acrylic facing, a rigid backing board, and all necessary hanging hardware. Easily switch between portrait and landscape orientations to best suit your display needs. It's ready to hang on any wall, in any orientation. Crafted with care in the USA by Craig Frames, ensuring quality and durability. Please note that natural variations in wood grain and finish may occur. Enjoy peace of mind with its lightweight design and shatter-resistant acrylic facing. It's built to last while keeping your artwork safe. What we like? Looking for a sleek and durable frame for your photos or prints? This contemporary black frame offers a clean aesthetic with the added benefit of shatter-resistant acrylic. If you appreciate American craftsmanship and need a reliable frame for portrait or landscape display, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The frame is sturdy and well made, with a nice finish that complements the artwork. It was easy to assemble and hang, and it looks great on the wall. The size is perfect for the space I had in mind, and it fits the picture exactly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.